What's going on, you guys? Powerpuff You 2013 here. Today we're going to do an Audacity tutorial real fast. Now, first what you'll need to do is get more effects and download the Muse Hub so you can get the Muse FX plugins. But I want to share just a couple things first. Due to crackling in a couple of those plugins, I've disabled Pitch Fix and Harmonize. Master and Simple EQ are just disabled because there are duplicates of it. They were showing two of them, not just one. So I got rid of one and kept the other. Anyway. Import your audio or record it. After that, click these three dots, go to swap stereo channel, go to preferences, make sure 44/100 Hertz is set for the sample rate of the project and by default. Make sure 32-bit float is set for default sample format. I've created a Marcos so it would do all these steps I'm going to show you to do to make your audio sound amazing automatically. You'll compress acoustic guitar, bass guitar, two that you can use. Pick one. Doesn't matter which of the two, as long as it's acoustic guitar and bass guitar. Go to Pro EQ. Either use acoustic guitar or pop vocals. Whichever one you selected, as long as it's acoustic guitar and pop vocals, that's fine. We go to the noise gate, not the noise gate from Muse FX, just the regular Audacity noise gate. Between -42 and 30 can be put in the gate threshold, your choice. I'll do -36 for today. 0 for frequency above, -30 for level reduction, attack 250, hold 50, and decay 100, and stereo linking for link and function gate. Go to bass and treble, -3 for the bass, treble 0, volume 0, and make sure you check the box, link volume controls to tone controls. Go to distortion, select cube curve odd harmonics. Distortion amount 30, output level 75, repeat 1. And lastly, to make it less loud but not too quiet, loudness normalizer, set it to RMS. No boxes below should be checked at all, but you do -24 here. Save it, export it. You could put the name Powerpuff You 2013 to know that it's from me, from this channel, or put a name that you'll remember. Export it, and to save it in Audacity specifically, it'll be selected, click off it, it'll come up. Do you want to save? Hit yes, and go back to this here. Then you close out of this box. Go to Tools, apply it. Like that. it has done it. Now, two things before we go to the two steps that are not in Audacity, which one's optional, but we'll get to that in a minute now. First, go to Effect, click Removal, which will be done after you apply the markers. You have to do it after, because this doesn't always work. If it doesn't work, you skip it. So what you do is threshold 192. I know low is more sensitive, but I didn't put it too low. Only a little bit. And I know higher is more sensitive on max spike width, but I didn't put it too high, just a little high. So those lines that go up and up and up, they shrink. Now, hit apply. If it works, the lines will get smaller. It'll come up with an error if it doesn't work, and you just skip it. You can export. One thing is to do 44-100. MP3, wave, doesn't matter. Quality, just 160 or higher. Bitrate mode doesn't matter. Stereo and mono don't matter either. Export it. Now, here's an optional option you can do. This is called mastering. Now, there's two ways you can do it. Use Muse FX by, after you've done Pro EQ and either picked acoustic guitar or pop vocals and you click apply, before you do noise gate, insert master. Put it here, click on it, do lush high end, pumping 90s, vintage or stereo depth. Stereo depth pumping 90s, lush high end or vintage. But there's a second optional thing you can choose, which after you export from Audacity, you have to do it. After that, should you not choose to do Muse FX Master, what you can do is go to a site. That is bandlabs.com/mastering. Import it that way. Master it that way. Now, all these at the bottom, you have to pay for it to use it. Now, should by coincidence you are paying BandLabs premium crap, choose choose cinematic. If you're not paying for premium, choose fire. If you're paying for premium, that's what this is. If you're paying for premium, doesn't, you just do it in tenths to the left. If you're not, leave it alone. Click download. Now, if you haven't exported from Audacity in a wave, then that's okay. Doesn't matter, because you can still click down here, go to all files, overwrite it. There's one more thing you need to do. Go to either audiospeedchanger.com or vocalremoval.org/pitch. They're both good websites to do what we're about to do. So vocalremoval.org we'll do real quick. Import the audio file, export it from Audacity, and export it from BandLabs, mastering. And then, now say I'm watching Steven Universe, and I am watching Yellow Diamond sing her song, What's the Use of Feeling Blue? And I want to mute the TV and play Cher's AI version of it over the headphones with the TV muted. So I can hear Cher singing it instead as a new cast of Steven Universe. Well, you keep it in sync. You don't change the speed thing at all. But if it's just for listening on your phone, the car, wherever, that's not what I just said. You can put it up to this 1.02. Now the pitch, there's two different pitches you could go to. Either -75.
It's a shameful fate, lost her head, a careless man who could wind up dead. You wear your sin like it's some kind of prize. Too many lies, too many lies.
Or is what you should use more over is 0.75 negative is 0.50 positive. Either or will do. 0.50 is better. And they actually use that in United Kingdom and a bunch of other countries. PAL style. That's what this basically is. And it makes the audio sound more beautiful. So then you click save. If it's not MP3, you click all files again and overwrite it. And it will do that, but coincidentally mine is. And you'll get a final result. It sounds like this. And there you have it. Well guys, that was the Audacity tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. Don't forget to keep requesting horror versions. $3. So you send the $3 to the PayPal link in the description. Then you comment below on one of my videos what theme song or whatever to make scary. Keep checking out G4, keep checking out the AI covers, keep checking out the Wii and the Xbox, etc. streams, game show, Dead or Lives. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Goodbye.